Hey guys, Supra Mission 76 is live, but it's different from the other ones as it marks the end of the Supra Mission. So for this week, there will be no quiz. All you have to do is to visit the mission link, read the article, scroll down to the end of the page, and you will see an option to claim your badge. I've already claimed my badge, but if you haven't, you will see an option to claim your badge. There will be no more Supra Mission quizzes, but there is a new game that you can play on the Supra website, which is called the Supra Starcade. To play the game, log into your Supra dashboard and click Starcade and click Go to Games. Scroll till you get to the Astro Prediction section and click Play Now. In this game, you'll be predicting whether an asset will go higher or lower than the current price. If you get the prediction right, you will win 0.5 stars. If you don't have a PC, you will need a Web3 browser that supports extensions like the Mises browser or the Kiwi browser. So here you can see how many minutes until the next game starts. For this, I'll be predicting if the price of SHIB will go higher than this price. If you feel it will go higher, click higher. If you feel it will go lower, click lower. So in this case, I'll click lower. I accept the approval request in my Starkey wallet and I've made my prediction. In the next 3 minutes, 30 seconds, I'll see the result. So same thing with BTC. In this case, I'll click higher. I accept the confirmation request in my wallet. My prediction has been made. Same thing with ETH. In this case, I'll click lower. I accept the approval request in my Starkey wallet. So you get the point of the game now. So here, once the lockout period ends, you can see the status of your prediction. In this case, I won 3 of these predictions, so I can click continue. Aside that, you can also participate in the Supra testnet. If you haven't joined the testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. So that's it about the Supra Mission and the Supra Starcade. The Supra missions are over, and now you can play the Supra Starcade game and participate in the incentivized testnet. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Supra updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you haven't started the Synta testnet, check out the video at the top of your screen to help you get started. XENEA just launched their airdrop, so if you haven't joined, sign up now using the link in the description. Don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and join some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep playing the Supra Starcade game, interact with the Supra testnet, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.